What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. The Nike Clearance Center. It's Thursday, the day before the Lebron 7s come out. Yeah, so yeah, I'm here to look at a couple things, and yeah, we'll see what's up. They do got 20% off, so let's see what's up, you guys. There's the beloved 20% off everything sign. Let's go see what's up. Let's go see what's up. Hoping to find some Lebrons. I'll show you guys why. All right, so the whole purpose of me coming here was because I want to get the Lebrons, and I might have to get them on Snkrs. And I've never tried on the Lebron. I've never tried the Lebron 7s, you guys. And as you guys know, with limited sneakers, once you get it on Snkrs, it's not like you're gonna have multiple chances. So since I have never tried these on, I figured I have to try these on at the outlets. Because yeah, all the Lebron 7s were pretty much limited colorways, so none of the local stores had them. I called Foot Locker, I called where else did I call? I called Finish Line. I called several places, and none of them had them. So yeah, I'm here to try these on, you guys, and then I can order them in the correct size when I do order my sneakers. Yeah, I'm good. All right, so I think I'm between a 10 and a 10.5, because some shoes I wear 10, some shoes I wear 10.5. I've been leaning more towards the 10.5 lately. Yeah, these do seem to run true to size, I guess. So yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to get the 7.5, you guys. But now at least I know. At least I know. Let's look around now. All right, we're in the size 10. Got the 270 Reacts, going for $90. You do get 20% off. Dang, these really are chilling here, huh? This is the same box that's been here for a while, but yeah, got the Super Bowl 10s. Going for $190. Get 20% off. Dude, got some Air Force One. These are the Foamposite. Why can't I talk? Foamposite Pro Cups. And these are interesting because it's like a Foamposite material on the outside. Super hard. Super hard. And yeah, these have been here at the outlets. All the Foamposite Cup Air Force Ones have been at the outlets. We've seen a few different colorways. But yeah, this is size 10. It's going for $80, 20% off. Normally $180. I am still waiting for these to go down in price, $80. I'm hoping these drop to 60. I'll definitely cop them when they get to 60. Got some 270s, $90 for these utilities, which means they have like some sort of strap. And yeah, it's like a real tree colorway. Yeah, it's a real tree colorway. Going for $90. You do get 20% off. Got some oh, my bad. Got some Air Force Max 2s going for $80. Got like a iridescent colorway on the side. $80, 20% off. Pretty much just 20% off everything, so I'm gonna try to stop saying that. I've never seen these Vapor Max. The Gleece 110 for these bad boys. You got leather on the top. Wow, I've never seen any Vapor Max with leather on the top. But yeah, going for $110, you do get that 20 off. I just said I'm gonna stop saying that. In the 10.5s now, we got some of those bad boys. The Jordan 10 wings going for retail plus a discount. $110 for the Vapor Max. These are the Flyknit versions. $110, get 20 off of that. Legacy 312s going for $90 plus a discount. These Air Max 95s still here, going for $80 after the discount. MTAAs, More Than Athletes, Lebrons going for $160 after the discount. Got some ISPAs going for $115 plus an extra 20. Look at this. What the hell? Oh my goodness. It's like the weirdest strap too. It's like yeah, that is hella interesting. What the hell? I don't know. If this is for you guys, not for me, but if this is for you guys, $115, at least you get a discount. $80 for the Moon Racers. Get that discount too. Still in the 10.5. Oh, we got a pair of 10s for some reason. Got the Lebron, the South Beach colorway, as they call it in China. In the US, we call those the Super Bowl 10s. These Air Max 98s gone down? Nope, still 95. Good. Forgot to tell you guys, I'm in the size 11s now. We got the Ferrari 14s, the black Ferraris going for $200. Dang, these Element Reacts going for Element Rank Premiums going for $140. Dang, that's crazy. Odyssey React Flyknit 2s going for 70 bucks with the discount. Zoom Fly Flyknits going for $70, 20% off of that. Dude got some samples. These are, I don't know, some sort of indoor soccer shoes going for 60 bucks. They are samples though, so probably cheaper than the regular amount. I've never seen these. What the hell? They got the Why Not 0.1 lows? I didn't know they made lows. The hell? I've never seen that. That's crazy. But yeah, these are it's a Team Bank colorway, 70 bucks. Get that 20 on top of that. Zoom 2K is going for 50. $40 after a discount. That's hella cheap. How do they never run out of these? But yeah, I got the Jordan 33s going for 95. Always got Soldiers. Always got them 80 bucks, 20% off. They just don't run out of these Jordan Wing 10s. Size 11, $1.90, 20% off. We are in the size 12s. What's that blue tag mean? Does that mean it's like the latest discounts? But yeah, 60 bucks. 20% off. Was at $48 for those. That's how much I got them for. Hella dope. I love those shoes. Got the Fearless Jordan 1 Zooms going for $1.75. These the Junowski slips going for $45, 20% off. We're in the size 12, by the way. Always got plenty of these in every size going for $100, 20% off. They always remind you that they went for $1.50. I think this means that this wasn't sold at Nike. This is probably sold somewhere else. I don't know. Wonder where those are from. Some sort of the Edge 270s going for $95. Of course, more of these. What are these, you guys? What the fuck are these? These are hella dope. Got cork on it. Some Air Max 98. These look like they're limited. Some New Year's. Is this a Chinese New Year or something? What the hell? Oh, that is crazy, you guys. There's like cork in it. There's like some I think it's not even black. It's like emerald. Patent leather. Whoa, this is nuts, you guys. This is nuts. I'm about to look this up. I don't know what the hell it is, but yeah, it's going for 100. Damn, I wish they had these on my size. I so would rock these. Going for 100, 20% off. All right, there isn't any resale on these, but he told me there might be a 10 and 10 and a half, so I'm gonna go hunt for some of these for my size. I don't know if I should, because I'm already gonna cop 2 shoes this weekend, but man, these are just hella dope. All right, so I'm still looking for those Air Maxes, but I thought this is interesting. I thought I'd show you guys. Fear of God, the Mocs go for 85 bucks. That's a hell of a deal. These are clean, dude. I can see why people like these. I'm not the hugest fan, but I can see why people like them, because they're pretty clean, pretty dope. 85, get 20. All right, I carefully combed the 10s and the 10 and a halves, and no, man, didn't have those Air Max. That's the frustrating thing about coming to the outlets, is like you'll find super dope pairs, and like they won't be in your size, but you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. You know, I'm not gonna pay $1.80 for those. I don't like them that much, but 80 bucks? Oh hell yeah! So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I might come back to here this weekend, and maybe it'll make its way out here. We'll see. We'll see. All right, we are moving on to the 13s. Moving on to 13s. I got the up tempos going for 60 bucks, 20% off of that. Hell of a solid deal. Got the 200s. Dang, we saw these at WSS go for cheaper than that. 70 bucks, 20% off. Yeah, we saw these going for 50 over there. Dang, there's no way these are going for retail. But yeah, they still got these here. The Phoenix Suns colorway of the Air Max 98s. I do like that colorway. Not bad. I like the 98s. I'm learning that I really like the 98s compared to the other ones. Still got the Black Cats, the Black Cat 34s, going for $1.75, 20% off. Oh, these are dope. Oh, 115. Yeah, man, because I saw these for retail here. These are hella fire, dude. I love that baby blue colorway. Yeah, man, these are dope. I love the Vapor Max, man. These are the 2019. It does have that synthetic upper. So the Flyknits are a little more comfortable, but I think this material looks cooler, looks doper. But yeah, go for $1.15. You get that 20% off. That's under $100 for some Vapor Max. That's what's up right there. Always got plenty of the Lebron Soldiers going for $80. Get that 20% off. Do got these tailwinds going for 95. Not too shabby. 14. The prices start falling. 70 bucks for these tailwinds. You get to get that 20 off. Got the red orbits going for $1.20. Red orbit 8. Got the Vapor Max going for 110. Size 14. These are dope. I kind of like the fact that the bottom is like see-through, but it's dark. Pretty dope, man. I'm always a fan of getting Vapor Max for 100, under 100 bucks, man. $1.10, you get 20% off. It's like less than 90 bucks, man. All right, I'm checking out the 9.5s. Those of you guys who wear 9.5s know how difficult it is to find anything in 9.5. So yeah, it's kind of the same old usual suspects, you guys. 100 bucks for the 720s right here. Got another set of 720s. 105 for these bad boys, get 20% off. Another 720 going for 100 bucks, 20% off. I like these, man. I like these 97s. I've showed these a couple times, and these are just, I don't know, these are dope, dude. I don't know if it's because the American colorway. I don't know, but I'm a huge fan of these. I wish if they had them in my size, I definitely would think about it. 100 bucks for those bad boys, 20% off. Got some more 720s going for 80 bucks after the discount. These are still here. Let's see what these are going for. The 97 clots, still 70 bucks, 20% off. Got some of the Jordan trainers, the React Havoc, go for 70 bucks. Get that 20 off. Size 9s, not any better. What the heck are these? The Air Max Infinities going for $60. Okay, that's an interesting one. Got some of the lower budget Air Max Axis going for 55, 20% off on top of that. Bowfins going for 70 bucks. Got the Airmore Monies. Really? Who's buying this? Really? It says Lone Star State. Oh man. But yeah, I guess if you're in Texas, get these for 80 bucks, I guess. 20% off. Dude, got the white lavas. Size 9, go for 100 bucks. Dang, that's not bad. That's not bad. 80 bucks for some white lavas. Dang, because these bad boys went for 160, so that's 50% off. Oh, these went for 200? Holy shit, I didn't know that. Get them for 80 bucks? Damn, that's what's up right there. 8.5s and under. You got plenty of those up-tempo 95s, the Volt colorway. Man, I'm still waiting for these bad boys to go down. 80 bucks. Right above that, got the Jordan 13 Retros. My bad. The Jordan 13 Chinese New Year's, man. The texture. I'm just dropping everything. The texture is mad crazy on these. I love the texture. I love the way they did the color. Just, man, that pink, man. That pink or whatever. Yeah, I think that's pink, right? Yeah, the pink color just kills it. Everything else, I'm such a big fan of. Such a big fan of. Going for that retail 200. Got some more China Moons. Going for 8.5. 200. Get 20 off of that. Of course, gotta have some of the wings, you guys. The size, what, 8.5? These Air Max still here. These have been here for quite some time. They're starting to sell out. Go for our 80 bucks after the discount. Size 8, we got the Ferraris. Go for 200, get 20 off. We're in the size 8s. The Proto Reacts go for 80 bucks, 20% off on top of that. PG's going for $1.10, size 7.5. I think this is a kid's colorway. Yeah, 8 wide. This going for 60 bucks. The Jumpman Team 2s. Got them Terra Gove, size 7. Got these in a few sizes, going for 60 bucks. What are these going for now? Still 100 bucks for those bad boys. The 97 clots. Still here, you guys. Oh wait, this is a new one. I thought this was a I thought this was a license. Rick Dog, look at this, man. Look at these. Man, these are never gonna sell. It says Rick Dog, baseball cleats. Going for 40 bucks. 40 bucks if you guys are dying for these. Size 7. Size 7, you get 20% off. So I was about to check out those Air Max one more time, and I think one of the workers took them because he was eyeing them. I don't blame him. Dang it. Damn, no size 10s either. All right, let's head out. All right, it's like 4 minutes till they close, so yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. It's a little shorter video, but yeah, time to go, you guys. Time to go. All right, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video, you guys. Yeah, it's kind of a shorter video because Yeah, I got here past 8 o'clock. I forgot to mention what time I got here, but I got here past 8 o'clock. And yeah, we didn't have much time because they close at 9. And primarily I came here pretty much just to do some research on those Lebron 7s. I'm so glad I did because I was trying to figure out if I should get a 10 or 10 and a half. I know for sure I need to get a 10 and a half. So, it ended up working out. So tomorrow morning, while you guys are watching this, I'm probably either going to be on Snkrs, on the Snkrs app, or if I'm not able to get on the Snkrs app, I'm just going to have to go to the store. Usually I like to get them at the stores because, it creates for really good content and I can do a review for you guys really quick. But unfortunately, I might have to get them on Snkrs because I do have to help out with something at my kid's school and stuff. So it is what it is. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you're brand new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on that notification bell because I do drop a lot of videos. And the rest of you guys, make sure you guys go ahead and like this video. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.